Hello students, in this lecture we'll be going to take the properties of operations on matrices, that is addition, scalar multiplication and matrix multiplication. So these properties are very important for solving the twisted questions of your examination, especially the HOTS question. Wherever it will be, I'll be writing the indication also that these are the properties which are important for the higher order thinking skills. So let us recall the properties. So I am taking the properties of addition and multiplication both together. As we know, we are studying matrix algebra. Algebra is consisting of all postulates are there. We are having closure property, we are having commutative, we are having associative, distributive, identity, and existence of inverse. So that is the whole syllabus that will be covered in this particular chapter. So I am writing the properties here. The first one is the closure property. Closure means as we have studied in natural numbers, that means when we take two natural numbers, when we add them, we'll get a natural number. Means the result, whatever result we are getting is also a natural number. When the result of that particular operation is also there in the same set, so we say it is closed. So that is closure property. So here also we know that if A and B are two matrices, then A plus B is also a matrix and A into B is also a matrix. So this is just property to revise and to link that it is also algebra. So closure property is there. The important property starts from this one. We are having commutative property. Commutative property means A plus B is equal to B plus A. That means matrix addition, it is obeying the commutative law. Whether you add A with B or you add B with A, result is same. Similarly, with A into B and B into A, if you say that it is also commutative, no dear students, it is wrong. So commutative property is not valid for matrix multiplication. Only for few matrices are there. Later on in the lecture we will be going to take in the next lecture that there is a matrix known as adjoint or inverse where commutative law will be applied, but not for this one. So it is not true. Why? We can give a small reason also. If we take a matrix of 2 into 3 and there is another matrix of, we can say 3 into 2. If I am saying the result AB that I will be going to get, it will be 2 into 2. But if I take matrix B, that is 3 into 2, and A 2 into 3 matrix, so you will be going to get a result BA which is of 3 into 3 matrix. So they are never equal. So that is why we are saying that commutative not obey for, it is not obeyed for matrix multiplication. Clear? So I am just putting a star mark here, it is not valid. Then associative. Associative property, A plus B plus C. Associative property is only valid for one operation. That means one operation applied on 3. So we are having A plus B plus C. It can be written as A plus B plus A. Means association can be changed. So here we are having association of B and C. Here we will be going to have association of A and B. Matrix multiplication obeys this one. Multiply A and B first and then with C, or you multiply B and C first and then multiply by A. So this is associative law. Then we have distributive. So distributive property means matrix A multiplying by B plus C will give you A into B and A into C. This is distribution property. Means बांटना. किसे बांट रहे हो आप? A को आप लोग एडिशन पे बांट रहे हो. बट अगर आप ये कह रहे हो कि हम लोग प्लस को भी मल्टीप्लिकेशन पे बांट सकते हैं क्या? A प्लस B बना दो और फिर कहो कि इसको A प्लस C कर देंगे. No, this is wrong. So this is not a distributive. That means we can say multiplication is a distributive on addition. So I am rubbing this one, this matrix, this distribution is only for this one. Then comes the next part of that, identity. आइडेंटिटी लॉ का मतलब क्या होता है? आइडेंटिटी लॉ का मतलब होता है मैट्रिक्स ए के साथ किसे जोड़ें ताकि हमारी जीरो मैट्रिक्स बने, जीरो मैट्रिक्स। और जीरो मैट्रिक्स बनाने के लिए हम जानते हैं यहाँ पे हमें माइनस ए मैट्रिक्स के साथ इसको जोड़ना होगा, तो ही हमारे पास मिलेगी आइडेंटिटी ऑफ एडिशन। तो ये कुछ चीजें आप यहां ध्यान रख लीजिए। जीरो स्टैंड्स फॉर जीरो मैट्रिक्स, जीरो मैट्रिक्स इसे कहते हैं आइडेंटिटी ऑफ एडिशन। क्लियर? तो एक मैट्रिक्स के साथ माइनस ए को मल्टीप्लाई कराने से हमारे पास जीरो आएगा। सो दिस पर्टिकुलर property, here we are getting this word zero, so that means we can say whenever a is added with zero you will be going to get the same result. That is why we say zero is the identity of addition. So identity of addition is zero. We can say identity means a plus zero or 0 plus a, they are giving the same result. In the same way, when we have a matrix A, when it multiplies by identity matrix and I with A, it is also A. So we can say I means identity matrix ये जो आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स है इसे ही कहते हैं हम लोग आइडेंटिटी ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन. So this one is an important property. I am highlighting this one. This one is a property which will be applied for your higher order thinking skill questions. That means multiplying A with A, identity matrix or identity matrix with A, they will be written as A only. Then identity law is there, that is existence of. Rather we can writing that identity property, we can write here existence of identity. इसका मतलब ये हुआ मैट्रिक्स नाम के बड़े से सेट में आइडेंटिटीज होती हैं. एडिशन के लिए भी एक मैट्रिक्स अवेलेबल है जिसको जीरो मैट्रिक्स कहते हैं और मल्टीप्लिकेशन के लिए भी आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स है. इसी प्रकार लास्ट वाला आता है एग्जिस्टेंस ऑफ इनवर्स. अब इस इनवर्स में क्या था जो मैंने यहां पे थोड़ी देर पहले लिखा था वही फॉर्मेट. कौन सी ऐसी मैट्रिक्स है जिसको जोड़ने से एडिशन की आइडेंटिटी मिले. उसी प्रकार कौन सी ऐसी मैट्रिक्स है जिसको मल्टीप्लाई करूं तो मेरे पास आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स आए. मतलब एक ऐसी मैट्रिक्स का होना जिससे आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स मिल सके. फॉर एडिशन क्या है वो हम यहां जानते हैं, इसको माइनस ए के नाम से जानते हैं हम लोग. सो वी कैन राइट हियर माइनस ए को कहते हैं, एडिशन कर रहे थे और इनवर्स चेक कर रहे हैं तो इसलिए माइनस ए को कहते हैं एडिटिव इनवर्स ऑफ ए. इसी प्रकार एक मैट्रिक्स के साथ में यहां एक सिंबल यूज कर रहा हूं जो आगे हमारे चैप्टर में कवर होने वाला है. इसे कहते हैं, अगर मैं यहां पे अभी इसका नाम हटा के मैं अभी बी लिख रहा हूं, मैं कहूंगा अगर ए के साथ बी मैट्रिक्स मल्टीप्लाई करा के आइडेंटिटी बना दे तो बी को कहेंगे मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स. तो हम लोग यहाँ पे इसका नाम बी अभी तो लिख रहे हैं हम लोग, बट इसको हम लोग लेटर ऑन इसका नाम बदल के क्या कह देंगे, दिस इज ए इनवर्स. सो विल राइट हियर a to the power minus 1 is multiplicative inverse of a. So these are few properties of addition and matrix multiplication where it is covering all the postulates of algebra that you know it very well. So we'll be going to take few questions later on in this class to verify these properties. Thank you.